Hey everyone, if you thought Stuttgart Bloom was always going to be the unlucky guys of the Big Bang Theory, this episode might surprise you while the gang is busy dealing with relationship, babies, and personal drama. Story somehow ends up at the center of the funniest storyline in the series. The episode kicks off with one of the Sheldon most classic selfish moves. Amy wants to go shopping together, but instead of spending time with her Sheldon actually started to go in his palace started happily, except because to him getting paid to shop sound like easy money. Amy, however, is not amused. She realizes Sheldon basically outsources being her boyfriend, and she is understandably Perseus' sister Teddy suddenly finds himself caught in the middle of their relationship drama. Things get even funnier when Amy decides to get even. She hears Study to confront Sheldon for Study storm over the delivers an over the top speech pretending to be completely outraged. Sheldon is confused because Study had no problem taking the job in the first place. Study calmly explained that now he is simply getting paid by Amy to yell at him instead. Eventual Sheldon realized that should apologize himself instead of paying other people to do his emotional work. Even then, he struggles to live in the line he is been waiting in the because does not want to lose his spot. State one again saves the day by offering to hold his place, proving that sometimes he is a better friend than everyone gives him credit for. The story that then shifts toward Raj and Stadians expectantly competing for the attention of a woman named Ruchi. At first, both guys believe they have a chance. Raj thinks they have more in common because they are both from India, while Stati refuses to back down despite Raj's confidence. Instead, quietly competing, they make everything incredible awkward by the arguing right in front of her. Ruchi quickly makes it clear that she is not looking a relationship. She is simply hoping to make new friends. Unfortunately, Raj and Study ignore every obvious hint and even ask her which one she'd rather date. Super single, she decided it's time to leave. Despite their embracing behavior, she still offers friendship, reminding both men that not every connection has to become a romance. Another hilarious storyline focuses on study trying online dating. Howard helps them create a dating profile, but static confidence is almost an annunciation. When asked to describe himself in one word, he chose unobjectionable instead of highlighting his instinct. Her practically advertises his insecurities. After exploring their profile, both Study and Howard becomes obsessed with watching the visitor count. Hundreds of women view the profile, but not single message arrives. Every passing minute feels like another rejection. Study jokes and even a rescue dog one abandoned him make one of the darkest and funniest self-deprecating lines in the episode. Just when things could not more ridiculous, Study prepares for an actual date and decides to improve his appearance with hair coloring and a spray tan. The results are disastrous. Instead, looking confident, he turns bright orange. Howard cannot stop making jokes, comparing Study to everything from cartoon character to candy. Study consider cancelling the date, but finally decided to tell the truth instead. To his surprise, his dad laughed, appreciate his honesty and still want to go out with him. It's one of those rare moments where sincerity actually works in his favor. Meanwhile, study comic book store continue struggling. Online review describe is a creepy, awkward, and social uncomfortable. Reading the reviews is painful, but is also incredible funny because every story sound exactly like something story would accidentally do. His confidence takes another hit when denies reveals dating someone else. Story's immediate reaction is not anger but pure panic, joking that his body. He cooks meals, cleans the house, prepares the nursery, and becomes an integral part of the household. Ironically, the unemployment comic book store owner ends up being one of the most reliable people in the house. Raj criticized Stoti for defending on his friend, arguing that adults should become independent. Stoti fights back with one of the best speeches. His, he explained that genuinely chased his drama as an artist, tried to multiple careers and failed despite working hard rather than pretending everything worked out perfectly. He accept reality and simply try to survive the best way he can. It's a super single emotional moment hidden inside a sitcom. Eventual Howard started feeling unforgettable with how close study has become to his family. So like and subscribe the channel and share his friend and support the channel. So request all of you and more and let's me comment how many from USA. Thank you.